Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Imaginary Engineering. This is Kirti, and in this video we will see what is the custom hooks and why do we need it. So before start, first I will show you the rules of hooks, so you will get the better understanding. So first rule is that only call the hooks inside of the component function, means we cannot call the hooks outside of the React component. We can only call the hooks inside the React component. Now second rule is that only call the hooks on the top level. It means we cannot call the hooks in a nested code statement. Like here we cannot call the hooks inside the if statement. The hooks only call on the top level. So now here I have created the simple application. I will explain you. So first here I am using the React router DOM to handle the routing. I have defined the two route, first in a slash, and then when user hit the slash we will redirect to the product element that basically render all the product items, and second is a product slash id, and then we will redirect to the component product details. We will get the product details of that particular component. I will show you the app. Here we list down all the product items. When I click on the end link, we redirect to the product details page, and here we can see the description, price and image. This is a simple application. Now let me go back to the VS Code. I will show you this product component. So let's go to the product.js. Here we are simply rendering all the items, product items, list down all the product items, and then here I have defined the use state, all products, to hold the data of all the products, and we have the use effect. Inside that we define one function and fetch the data from the API and update our use state function set all product and call that function fetch data. This is the simple use effect, and then we return all the product items, and we use the link from the React router DOM to redirect to that product details page, product slash id. We are passing that id dynamically. That's all. Then I will show you this product details page. This is our product details page which return image, description, price details. Here same, we have defined one use state to hold the data, then we use the use params to fetch the data from the parameter. Then we have the use effect. Inside that use effect we define one async function, and that function basically fetch the data from the API, and then we update our use state, set product details, and we use the URL as a dependency in use effect, and then we simply return all the details, that image, description and price. So if you notice here, this use effect is basically doing the same thing in both the files, products and product details. So basically in this use effect what we are doing, we just fetch the data from the API and update the use state. And if you notice here, we are repeating the same code here, and in React what we do, we use the component, so we do not need to repeat the code. But this use effect is not a component, it does not return any JSX. We can say it is a part of component that we need in multiple places. So in this, to handle this situation, React provide the custom hooks. We can use the custom hooks here. So in a custom hook we can call the all other hooks also. So let's create the custom hooks. First I will create one folder, let's call it hooks. You can name it anything you want. Now inside this hooks I will create a new file, use fetch.js. Now this is going to be my custom hook name. First I will create one function, export it, so we can use it in other files. Export default function, function name. Here if you have noticed, we have the use effect, use params, use state, and all other built-in hooks start with the use. So this is the convention. Function name start with the use, so we can identify that function is a hooks. Now inside this function, what I will do, I will go to my product details component and I will just simply copy this all the things and paste it in my custom hooks here. Now I am getting one error. For that use effect, this use effect we haven't imported, so first we need to import this use effect. So let me import the use effect from React. Now second, this URL, so we are getting the URL as a parameter, so as a function parameter we will get the URL, and then set product details. So for that I will create the one use state to hold the data. So let's say all products, and function set all products equal to use state, and here we pass the array as the initial value, empty array initial value for this all products. Once we fetch the data, update the use state, set all products. Now if I show you in product details, here we have used the use state. It basically inbuilt hooks and which return the two values. First one is a product details and second one is a function. So similarly in our custom hooks we can return the values. It can be array or object. Here I am returning the array and I am passing this all products, so we can use it in our component. So let's go to our product details and call this custom hook. So first I will remove all these things, we don't need it anymore. Then we will call our custom hook here, which return one value. I will say product details and call the use fetch, which will take the one parameter, will pass the URL. Now same thing we will do for this product component. I will remove this use effect. First I will call our custom hooks and pass that URL, and here I will say all products, so let me make it all products, and I will remove all these things. So here we need to import that use fetch from hooks, and I will remove these unwanted things. Similarly in product details I will remove this. Now if I go back to our browser and check here, let me refresh. Here you can see all the things are working as before. You can see all the product image, description, price. Here you can see now our code is more cleaner. You can use these custom hooks whenever you want to repeat some code in multiple places. You can go with the custom hooks. So this is all about the custom hooks. I hope you liked this short video and enjoyed and learned something new. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Imaginary Engineering. Thank you for watching.